Close to 30 years ago, I was a young lawyer starting out, and I was crossing an intersection on US 19. Unbeknownst to me, a gigantic truck ran the red light, and it hit me right on my door, and I lost consciousness. So when I came to, I'll never forget, there was a lady crying standing next to my window because she thought I was dead. I didn't really know what to do, so I hired a lawyer. And I got an up-close, personal view of what not to do. This firm was created to do one thing, and it was to represent injured people in a way that I was not. Sometimes all it really takes is words of comfort from somebody who's been there. We have a unique proposition here in that my partner has spent many years inside the insurance industry, and he understands how they operate.
My father was a defense attorney, so I was always hearing him talk about cases and kind of came up through that. And that's where I got my start, was doing defense work on the other side of these cases. And I just knew over time that that just was not for me. I wanted to be in a position where I could actually help people, and that's something I've enjoyed since I've made this move. With my background working in insurance defense, I give them a perspective that they wouldn't get from other attorneys. And that, along with Mark's experience of 35 years focused solely on helping victims of negligence, they get kind of a 1-2 punch.
These cases do not create themselves. They have to be built.
The day of the accident, there was quite a long line of traffic. Next thing I know, all 3 cars just slammed right into me. It was the next day when I got up that I realized I'd better call somebody. It's like aged me overnight. I was scared out of my wits. I just had to put my trust in this firm, and they did me right. I saw the empathy that Mr. Roman had in his eyes when he said, "I'm gonna help you." And they made me feel, and I still to this day feel like part of the family. And it was overwhelming that these people went to battle that deep for me. I never regretted walking in this door. I can actually take a deep breath now, and I owe it all to Roman Austin.
We will not leave any stone unturned to get to the bottom of what happened and who is going to be held accountable.
Mark and I, we work hand in hand in all of these cases. The more we know our client, the better the result. And we're going to walk with them through this process.
If you're looking to have answers to serious problems about what you've been through, and you want to have the right people held fully accountable, that's what we're here for.